Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here. They are in need of this particular laptop carcass right here, just like what you see right there. You can see the product picture of what this particular person need right here, and they attach the video sample of what they need. And I decided to source for this product on Pinduoduo, and as a result of that, I decided to make a video step by step and show you on how we actually order for this particular laptop carcass direct from supplier in China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and access from my WhatsApp right here. And I'll go ahead and make sure I go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, we have already sourced for this product to make this particular video short and straight to the point. Next thing we want to do here, I've already sourced for the product and discussed with the seller. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open the charts with the seller. So here we go. This is my conversation with the seller right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our chart. So you can see my chart with the supplier right here. So you can see the product picture sample. These are all charts between me and the seller. So the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and see how we can place order for this particular laptop carcass from the seller direct from China. So for that, I decided to ask the supplier to send me the product link, which was already sent right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on the product link and follow up. So I'm going to click on here now, and it's going to redirect and load to this particular page. First thing first, we need to make sure we add the product to cart. So I'm going to go ahead, click on here to add the product to cart. Having added the product to cart, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed to checkout and see how we make payment without any stress. So let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do next here is to go ahead and click on here to go back to my profile, because I have already had all the products to cart. Click on here to proceed. Next thing I'm going to do here is, you can see, is the seller is messaging me right here. So click on here to proceed to my profile. On getting to my profile, I'm going to go ahead and click on here, open up the product. So here we go. This is the product right here. It is a comprise of A, B, C, D laptop carcass. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the products, just like so. I'm paying the sum of 492 yuan to purchase all these. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like so, you can see all the package right here, just like what you see right here. Is to go ahead and scroll down and use my means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay to pay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Payment done. Now payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. Having made a screenshot of the payment, I'm going to go ahead and click on done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then I have to go back to charts. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open my chart with the supplier. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I click on here now to open up our chart. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to translate what the seller have to say right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make another screenshot right here. So having made a screenshot, I'm going to access from here now. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Chrome browser. Then having opened up Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open Google Lens. Then I have to select the screenshots, then instantly translate. So let's find out what the seller have to say. The item you just order is customized products. Please confirm the customization detail. The item you just order is customized products, just like so. Okay, so that is what the supplier have to say. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and make sure I use my Google Translate right here and said I just made payments, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to copy this Chinese character, just like so. Then I'll go ahead and come back to my Pinduoduo right here, click on here, and then paste and send. Then I'll go ahead and click on this plus sign, attach the Alipay proof of payment right here, and send it to the seller, just like so. So you can see a quick response from the seller right here. So what I'm going to do here is to translate also. So I'll go ahead and screenshot this part. Then I'll go back to my Chrome browser right here. Then I'll go ahead and upload the screenshots. And let's see the response. Okay, I arranged. Simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and come back to the seller right here. Then I will just send an emoji, just like so. Lastly, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for this product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead and exit from Pinduoduo right here. I will open up my WhatsApp right here. So here we go. So this is the person that asked me to pay. I will click on attachment and gallery. Then I'll go ahead and select the proof of payment in Alipay, and at the same time the product page. Then I'll say payment made and send it to this person right here. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo, Taobao, any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or Shenyun, or any, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.